Advisor greatly simplifies and speeds training needs analysis. That is, the process of identifying training needed by each position to attain missions and goals. If the roles are well defined, then the following approach may be used. For example, to assess the training needs of pilots, we should first define the context of their job, since the required knowledge and skills will vary according to the type of the aircraft. To identify the training requirements for the C-130J pilot, for example, click on the Projects folder and click Add to create the C-130J project. To facilitate data sharing, click on the Sharing tab, select Team Members, and click Save. To create a new job, click on the Job Analysis folder and click Add. In this example, I will add First Officer. Input the job title and other attributes and click Save to create. Next, tasks for the first pilot can be added by clicking on the Task Analysis folder and clicking Add. You will be prompted for the task title, standards, difficulty, importance, and frequency, as well as other attributes. Conditions, queues, and safety concerns can be specified under the corresponding tabs. Click Save when ready to create. Based on task difficulty, importance, and frequency, task training requirements and priority, including reasons, are indicated under the Training node. You may override the recommendations by selecting the desired value and locking your choice. Tasks can be subdivided into subtasks, steps, and substeps. In this case, I will add the subtask Determine Mission Requirements without subdividing further. To identify the knowledge, skills, and attitudes needed to perform a task to the desired level, click on the Knowledge Skills folder and then click Add. In this example, I will add Interpret Aircraft Performance for the subtask Determine Mission Requirements and specify the attributes. Each learning outcome can be classified in various levels. For example, knowledge can be classified as fact, rule, procedure, discrimination, and problem solving to facilitate media analysis. The desired level of knowledge skill is also needed to assess deficiencies and training requirements. Once all data has been provided, click Save to create. You should also note that each time a knowledge skill or attitude is added, it is automatically added to the Team Knowledge Skills repository. This implies that each knowledge skill or attitude can support multiple tasks. In other words, if Interpret Aircraft Performance is also required by Produce Mission Documentation subtask, then the same knowledge can be assigned to this task by clicking on the Select tab, placing checkmark next to it, and clicking Save. Tasks refer to activities that individuals are expected to perform on the job. That is, job requirements. Performance objectives, on the other hand, are tasks that require training. That is, training requirements. In other words, training may not be required for all tasks. To facilitate the creation of performance and enabling objectives, job tasks are presented under the Auto-Generate tab under the Performance Objectives folder. Place checkmarks next to the tasks that require training and click Save to generate. As you can see, performance and enabling objectives for the Conduct Pre-Mission Duties task, as well as its two subtasks, have been created. To preserve data integrity, objectives are linked to job task and the cascade option is turned on. This implies that as job task attributes change, the corresponding objectives will be updated accordingly. To make specific changes to the objective, the cascade option should first be turned off. To realign the objective with the job task, turn the cascade back on and click Save. You may directly add an objective to a job by clicking on the Performance Objectives folder and clicking Add. You will be prompted for the objective title, standards, as well as other attributes. Click Save to create. As you may have noted, tasks, knowledge, skills, and attitudes are automatically assigned to corresponding objectives. To add a knowledge or skill, click on the Select tab to find out whether the required knowledge or skill is already in the repository. If it is, simply select and click Save. Otherwise, click on the Add button, input title, learning outcome, classification, desired knowledge skill level, and click Save. Training requirements are identified by comparing current levels of knowledge and skills to the desired levels. To identify knowledge and skill gaps, click on the Knowledge Skills Gap node and indicate the current levels. In this example, I will set current levels of the first two to Basic. If the desired level exceeds the current level, a knowledge skill gap is identified and a learning objective is automatically created under the Learning Objectives folder. Note that the background color of the knowledge or skill changes to blue to indicate that a learning objective has been set up to address the gap. To indicate the time needed to close a knowledge or skill gap, click on the corresponding learning objective, edit, input the length, and click Save. You may also collect data offline using Excel spreadsheets and import in Advisor. To illustrate, I will set up an aviation system technician position and import the data file. As you can see, it is a highly effective and efficient method for collecting and analyzing data from multiple subject matter experts. In addition, you can easily reuse the data in future analysis. For example, to analyze the needs of an avionics system technician, click Add to create the new position. Next, click on the Search tab under the Task Analysis. You may search by mission, job, or keyword. Since some of the AVS tasks are similar to the AVN, select AVN and click Save to display available tasks. To copy tasks under AVS, place check marks next to the desired tasks and click Save. As you may expect, tasks as well as subtasks and relevant knowledge skills are copied. Moreover, Advisor can quickly identify knowledge and skills common among the two positions. One of Advisor's key benefits is the ease in which various types of reports can be generated. The task report generates a list of tasks that individuals are expected to perform along with the prerequisite knowledge and skills. This report can be exported to Microsoft Word or PDF by clicking on the export icon, selecting the desired format, and clicking OK. The Performance Objective Report generates the training requirements for each job, including how the training requirement will be fulfilled, time, as well as priority. Similarly, this report can be exported to Microsoft Word and PDF. The Training Requirements Analysis Report provides a list of knowledge and skills needed for each objective, including entry and desired levels. You can export the report to Excel by clicking on the Generate Excel button. 3 audit reports can be generated under the Align Tasks with Goals report. Simply select the desired report and click Save to generate. In this example, you can easily find out how each learning objective has been derived, as well as whether all requirements have been addressed. A comprehensive report can be generated by clicking on the Job Analysis Report node, selecting items to be included, and clicking Save. To view the attributes of a task, for example, click on its title. Training Plan Report that includes performance enabling and learning objectives, as well as media and length, can be generated once the training design is conducted. Advisor is more than a training needs analysis tool. It's your quick guide for developing effective and efficient training strategies. Contact B&H today to learn more about Advisor. Plan better, achieve more.